James Akers here, the tie guy. Today it is supposed to be spring, although it feels like winter here in West Virginia right now, so we're going to wear a springy tie. It's a Salvatore Ferragamo blue tie with yellow flowers. They look kind of like daisies. I think they're daisies, but I'm not a flower expert, but they look like daisies. But it's a really pretty tie. It's a light blue with some dark blue kind of triangle geometrics, and then little white daisies with a yellow center. And we're going to be pairing that today with a faint pink, almost white shirt, and a light brown, springy looking suit, brown belt, brown shoes. It's going to come together really nice. As far as a tie review goes, I wear a lot of Ferragamo ties, and I've reviewed a lot, but we'll go through that. The one thing about Ferragamo is their silk is very, very smooth. It's a screen printed tie, so these are not embroidered on. It's all screen printed. It's a very high quality screen printing process that Salvatore Ferragamo uses. Their ties are pretty thin. Their silk is super smooth, super pure. Probably the smoothest out of all the silk ties that are made in Italy, I would say, at least all of my experience. So just tie it up, see what it looks like. Now, I tie Ferragamo ties pretty often, so I know usually my spot with them is going to be right around in here, right in this range. So we're going to tie that up, see what it looks like. So we come in close here. We take the long part of the tie, take it out over top. We come in behind, up, and through. Then we come around behind, up, over, down, and through. And this is what I call the checkpoint here. We're going to look for a perfect triangle. Now I'm going to pause here for just a second. Had a few people messaging me on Instagram and through YouTube asking me what type of knot is this, why do I tie this type of knot, etc. This is, to me, a traditional knot. It's a Windsor knot, a full Windsor. Some people call it a double Windsor. Double Windsor is really not the correct term for it. It's full Windsor because a half Windsor would be the crooked kind of half knot. So 2 times half is just full, not double, but it's okay. It's just words. It's all semantics. But it's a Windsor knot. My dad always called it a triangle knot, and so I like a perfect triangle. My dad was my hero, and he taught me how to tie a tie. So now we take the long part, we take it out over top, come around, back and through. Now we've created this little pocket here. We're going to push the tie down through. You hold the top of the pocket, you pull the tie down through that. And now we do our final adjustments. The tie is tied now, but now it's to make your knot look pretty. And this is the key. Like I had one guy mention me, like, I've tried and I just can't get it to look as good as yours. Here's how you make the tie look pretty. At this point, pull the sides back, hold the knot towards the bottom of the knot, and pull on this long part of the tie like this. It's hard to see on the camera, so I'm holding the knot and I'm pulling on the long part. And what this does, see how this pulls together. And you can kind of shape a little bit with your hands as you do that. And now we're going to hold it and pull on the shorter part of the tie. We're going to bring the knot up to our neck. Everyone check for our distance. We want the tip of this tie to come somewhere between the top and the bottom of our belt buckle. Should never be above the belt buckle. So right now, this is coming close to the bottom, a little over halfway. It's absolutely perfect. Let's pull this collar down and see how this all comes together here. We'll tidy the knot up. That's the other thing, is take the time to make the knot look right, you know. And the other secret to tying a perfect knot is hold everything tight as you go through. You know, hold it with your fingers. Keep your tie together. Okay, let's tie this or tighten this up a little bit. Look how pretty that triangle came together. We have this perfect triangle. We don't want much of a gap right here, so we're going to pull this up. And now let's put the jacket on. The look is going to start scrolling across the bottom of your screen there. We're going to go through it here with you, like we always do. Get the suit jacket on here. And we're going to tuck the back of the tie through the strap on the back. Ferragamo does have a little strap. A lot of your ties, I showed you this the other day, but a lot of ties, the name tag becomes the strap. Ferragamo sews a little strap in there, so you have that. Okay, as far as the look goes, we have an Untitled Zegna Suit. It's a light brown suit. This is probably my favorite suit, to be honest with you. I love all my suits. Absolutely love this suit. We have an Untitled Zegna shirt on. It looks white in the video, but it does have a little bit of a pink look to it. We have a Salvatore Ferragamo tie. It's blue with yellow and white daisies. We're wearing a Salvatore Ferragamo dress belt. It's a very dressy brown, shiny brown, with a gunmetal belt buckle. It has the Gancini logo. And we're pairing that with a pair of brown Bally Oxfords. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you're going to see my Instagram. Check out my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers. There's going to be close-ups of the shoes with the belt, close-ups of the whole outfit. There's going to be selfies of me wearing this outfit, as well as close-ups of the knot and of course, the tie, so you can see the patterns and stuff like that. But I am ready for work.